How you doing, folks? This is Sean McVeigh with Sean's Outdoor Adventures, and if you've been following my videos this year, I had a shot at probably the biggest, it would have been my biggest buck to date, and the arrow rest failed on me. So it was a RipCord Ace, but you know what? It's a lifetime warranty. So they had me send it in, and then the new rest that they have is the RipCord MAX. Well, the equivalent to the one that I had. So they sent it to me, and I'm going to give it a try. I think it's good that they, support their product. Didn't give me a hard time. They just said, send it to us, we'll replace it. So got a brand new rest out of it. Going to give it a try. And this is the new, well, I think new as of last year, RipCord MAX. So they've probably made a few adjustments to it. I'll take it out of the package here. So the biggest thing that I had the issue with was it stopped going down for me. So let's see here. So normally what you should be able to do is flick it, have it flick down if you need to put it down, stays up. But mine wouldn't even go down, so sounds a little different too. Like even the sound of it going down. So they've clearly changed some of the mechanism aspects in it. It does have the micro adjust, which I really do appreciate. Being able to loosen the little screw and then just turn it a little bit. So I'll give it a try. See what happens.